in this lecture we will discuss about comparison instructions. So comparison instructions are used to test two values, or you can say two pair values for a certain condition. Suppose if the two numbers are equal, suppose we have in A we have 5 and B we have 5, both numbers are equal, we want to test this condition. So basically these instructions are used to test various conditions, right? So in comparison instruction we have equal instruction, which is used to test whether two values are equal. And we have not equal condition, it is used to test one value is not equal to the second value. Less than, it tests whether one value is less than a second value. Similarly, we have LEQ instruction, less than or equal, test whether one value is less than or equal to a second value. The next instruction we have comparison greater than, test one value is greater than another. Similarly, greater than or equal to, this condition it will test whether one value is greater than or equal to a second value. Similarly, we have two more instruction, that is called MEQ instruction, mask comparison for equal. It tests portion of two values to see whether they are equal. So it doesn't compare the whole data, but it compares only a small portion of data. So for that we can use mask comparison for equal. And similarly, we have limit test. It will test, suppose that the two values are within the limit range. Suppose we want that the room temperature should be between 10 to 30 degrees Celsius, then we will put on the limit value 10 to the minimum value and 30 to the maximum value, and it will test whether, if we set the temperature 20, it will test whether the temperature is between the limit or not. This way we use the limit instruction. This is the way how we represent equal instruction for PLC programming. So we will write here EQU, that means equal, to test two values. One value will be from the source A address, the another value will be from the source B address. Then it will compare them if these values are equal or not. So we will use here equal, source A and source B. If both conditions will be true, if they will be equal, the condition is true, right? If A is having 5 and B is also having 5, then condition is true, right? So it will give one true output, and if this condition will be false, it will give 0 output. Similarly, we have different logical comparison instructions. They will perform the same operation. We will be having any Q instruction to test whether two values are not equal. For the writing method of this instruction is also the same. So it will test if the both values are not equal. If suppose A is having 5 and B is having 4, and then if they are not equal, then it will produce output 1. Opposite to equal, it is NEQ. If two values will not be equal, then it will produce output 1, right? Similarly, we have LES instruction. It will test whether one value is less than another, means source A is less than B. Suppose in source A we will be having 5 and here we will be having 10. If 5 is less than 10, right? So it is testing the condition. If it is condition is true, it will produce 1 output, otherwise it will produce 0 output. Similarly, we have less than or equal to. It will test both values from source A and source B are equal or less. In that condition, any one of the condition, if it is equal, second condition less than or less than, then it will produce 1 output. Similarly, greater, if it will test the value of source A is greater than B. If value of A is greater than B, it will produce output 1. And if it will produce the output 1 when value of A is equal to B or A is greater than B. In both the condition, it will produce the output 1. Then MEQ instruction is masked comparison instruction. So this is used to compare a portion of the data. Suppose we have 45 in source A and 49 in source B data, right? we don't want to compare this bit, we only want to compare left hand side bit, that is 5 and 9. So that in that case we will mask these four, this 4 and this 4, and we will compare only this data. If we don't want to compare the whole data, but we want to compare little data, then we will use mask instruction. So here we use source mask and compare instruction. It will be used like this. So basically it is used to detect the mismatch of two data. Then there is limit instruction. Limit instruction is used to test whether the value is within the specified range which you have set or not. Suppose suppose AC room temperature, it is low limit is 10 and maximum is 30. If we in the test variable we put 20, if it is in the range it will produce output 1. If it will not be, suppose I give test 40, then it is not in the range, then output will be 0. So this is the way we represent the limit instruction. So in this lecture we have studied all the comparison instructions. Okay.